Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In the previous video, we have learned about data types in C. If you guys haven't seen the video yet, the link is in the description. You guys can check that out. Now, in this video, we'll learn about user inputs in C. Now, what is this user inputs? You guys might have seen in the previous video that while executing the program, I have given some fixed value. Now, while making any program for any client, we can't fix any value from advance. For the convenience of client, we have to take care that while using the program, a client have to take the value from the users while executing the program. So how can we take this user input? We can take this user input by simply by using a function called scanf function. Now we'll see the use of this scanf function. Let's see the what is the program. First, we'll have to write the preprocessor hash include stdio.h. Then here comes the main function and the curly braces. Next, we'll have to mention the data type int and a variable I. Next we'll have to print a message so that user can understand that he will have to enter the value of I. Now we'll give the message printf enter value of I. Next, here comes the scanf function. Now here inside this scanf function, we are taking the value of I, that is integer value. So now here we'll have to mention the type specifier, that is percentage %d. Okay. After that percentage %d, we'll have to write n percent I, as we are taking the value of I. Now what is this n percent? It is basically the address operator in C. Now what is this address operator? It tells the compiler to change the real value of the variable stored in at this address in the memory. Okay. Next we will take another value j. So we are taking this value as float type. Next, we are printing a message like to enter the value of j. Okay, j. Then again we'll use the scanf function scanf. Now here the type specifier will be percentage %f, as we are taking float value for j. Now for suppose we will add these two number I and j and store the value in k. Now if we write k equal to I plus j, so now will the program execute? No, because we have not mentioned the data types for k. So we'll have to write here in float j comma k. So k will also contain the value of float, because we are adding integer and a float number, so the result will also be in float. Next, printf the sum of percentage %d and percentage %f, because here percentage %d will fetch the value of I and percentage %f will fetch the value of j. Again, as the result will be in float, we'll have to give float value, that is percentage %f comma I, j and k. Next, return 0. Now let us see if the program runs. Yes, the value of I, now say the value of I is 10, value of j 25.32. Enter. Yes, the sum of 10 and 25 is 35.32.